So hello friends and welcome to the Flux Studio. In this video we are going to show you how to create layers. So to create layers you have to open the layer dialog box by the command LA enter. By this way you can set your layer name, its color, its line type, its line weight, its transparency, etc. You can also open it by layer tab. From here you can open this layer option or layer dialog box. If you don't have this tab, you can have this tab by here. And if you want to see the line weight of your drawing, you can do one thing. You can open it by this option, show at high line weight. Now friends, let me show you an example. If I want to create any layer, I will open a dialog box and write a name of my layer. I have to give a color to it like blue. I have to give a line type to it, maybe this center line, maybe. I have to give a line weight to it. I have to give transparency to it. If I don't want any transparency, by default it is 0. If I want a print of it or a plot of it, then it's okay. If I don't want a plot of it, I have to cancel this option. One more thing, line type is very helpful to show different gradations on the plot and it will look nice. I will show you an example of it. If you want to lock your layer, so by this way you can lock your layer. And let me tell you one thing, if you are locking your layer, then it means you can't do any changes to this layer and you can't move it, you can't delete it, etc. You can freeze your layer by here. You can turn off or turn on your layer by this option. Like this wall layer is turned off, so let me on this and you can see here. So this is the change with it. Friends, I have taken a print of it to show you the difference between line weights. Here at 100% you can see that this wall line is more darker than the furnitures and the door line and the dotted line. So it is more focusing on the plan rather than the furniture layout. So if you want to have more focus on furniture layout, you can do one thing. You can have more thickness or more line weight of the furniture layout rather than the walls. Because my plan is cut it through this wall, so my wall is darker, and column, you can see the column, it is also darker, and this is less darker than the wall. So this is basically necessary to represent your drawing file, because by this way people can easily judge what is your wall line or what is your door line or furniture line, and they can easily see your planning or your concept in it. So now friends, I am going to show you how to create your line type or line weight and how to decide which line is going to be more darker or which line is going to be less darker or which line is going to be fine. So let me show you. So friends, by this chart you can know where to give very fine line, where to give fine line, where to give medium intensity line, where to give dark line, where to give very dark line, and where to give dotted line. So you can take a snapshot of it. So that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.